Hey Dal, and you probably know already that you need a lead magnet to consult funnel in your business, but here's one of the biggest problems that I see when I give my done for you templates to other people to do it themselves. They flipping butcher them. Now, I don't know if you've seen this yourself, or maybe you feel like you've been one of these people where you take the template and you look at the way that I've done it and it looks really great, but the more and more you start to put your own photos and your own words and your own branding and your own logo on it, you start to play around a little bit too much, and before long it just all looks like a mess. Does this sound familiar to you? You think, why doesn't mine look like Grace's? Why doesn't that look pretty? Here's the thing, for a really limited time, for those that take advantage of my offer to give you a done for you funnel, your lead magnet to consult funnel, completely done by my team and I'm going to be having my graphic designers review the funnels that are completed to make sure that they look and convert incredibly well. So they need to look stunning. It needs to look good. It needs to reflect the brand. It needs to reflect professionalism and all that kind of stuff, right? It also needs to convert really well. So everything, nothing on those pages is an accident. Everything is laid out for a reason in that way, because that's the way that gets the most clicks, the most emails, the most consults, right? Now, for me personally, I've got a natural bend towards building lead magnets, towards building landing pages rather, and designing them so they look good and they convert. I remember when I was over in the US with one of my Facebook mentors over there, who's one of the world leading Facebook mentors and does all the ads for, Frank Kern and all the big people in the industry, and spends tens and tens and tens of millions of dollars a year. And I remember him looking at a landing page that I'd just built by myself from scratch, and he was looking over my shoulder and he said, "Wow, that's incredible. Where's that template from?" And I was like, "Oh, I made it." And he's like, No. I mean, I know that you've done your own thing to it and you've done it really well, but the layout is amazing and the way you put the brand colors on it looks great." And I was like, "Yeah, I did it." He's like, "Yeah, but whose template did you use? Like, whose is this? What guy built this template and then you tweaked it?" And I'm like, No, I built it from a blank page. And so and he was just saying that was the best landing pages he's ever seen in terms of design and look and feel, and then high converting. Those elements have to go together. If it looks great and it doesn't convert, it's a total waste of everyone's time. If it converts really well, but it looks ugly, I don't know, I personally don't sit okay with that. So for a super limited time, when you take advantage of these done for you funnel opportunities, you're going to be able to have my graphic design team make sure that the look and feel, the design of your landing pages is stunning, professional, yet also converts using marketing psychology principles that we know attract people towards you and your brand. So get excited, take advantage of this opportunity to have my own graphic design team, make sure that your pages don't look butchered, and that you take advantage of the work and the years of experience that sit behind our own incredible, stunning, yet very profitable landing pages. Click here now to take action, and I can't wait to hook you up with your own gorgeous funnel.